The room was a familiar cage with white walls, filled with a chilling doubt that something was profoundly wrong. Sarah was unnerved. She felt the prickly sensation of someone watching her, her heart pounding against her ribcage like an apprehensive animal. Following the trembling source of her fear, she turned around to face her own mirror image. Her icy reflection stared back at her, its lips widened into a grin that Sarah was sure she herself wasn't wearing. Confusion and terror engulfed her, her own breath getting stuck in her throat as her glassy twin mimicked her every move, except for the sinister grin that never fell from her lips. Rashly, Sarah decided to confound her reflection by dashing a book at the mirror, a desperate attempt to dissipate the horrifying illusion. However, the reflection caught the book purposefully and tossed it back out of the mirror, laughing at Sarah's horrified gasps. The realization made her sick with fear. The entity